Hello everyone, welcome to Vagdevi Tutorials. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today we will discuss some formulae of integration. First we will see first one. Integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equals to log mod f of x plus c. Now we will see how to use this formula. Take one example, integral 2x by x square minus 1 dx. Take denominator x square minus 1 is equals to f of x. Differentiate that x square minus 1 with respect to x. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. Differentiation of constant 0. Differentiation of f of x with respect to x, f dash of x. So finally f dash of x is equals to 2x. So the given example is in the form integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equals to log mod f of x plus c. Integral, what is the f dash of x which we have got? 2x by f of x. What is f of x? X square minus 1 into dx is equals to, what is the f of x here? Integral 2x by x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is the f of x. F dash of x is 2x. So we have to substitute log f of x. Here f of x is x square minus 1. So log mod x square minus 1 plus c. So in this way we can use this formula. So we'll go to next formula. Integral f dash of x by root f of x dx is equals to 2 root f of x plus c. Now we will see the example. Integral 2x by root of x square minus 1 dx. Take denominator x square minus 1 is equals to f of x. Differentiate this x square minus 1 with respect to x. We get f of x with respect to x means f dash of x. X square with respect to x means 2x and constant is 0. So this question resembles as formula as f dash of x by root of f of x dx is equals to 2 root f of x plus c. So what is f of x here? X square minus 1. F dash of x 2x. So substitute in that formula. Integral 2x by root of x square minus 1 dx is equals to, what is the formula? 2 root f of x. What is f of x here? X square minus 1. So answer is 2 root of x square minus 1 plus c. I have written all this procedure to understand. So if we know these formulas, you can directly you can substitute in formula. For understand purpose I have written all the steps. So we will go to third formula. Integral f dash of x into f of x whole power n dx is equals to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. See one example. Integral 2x into x square minus 1 into dx. Take f of x as x square minus 1. Take x square minus 1 is equals to f of x. Differentiate that with respect to x. F of x with respect to x means f dash of x. Differentiation of x square 2x. Differentiation of constant 0. So f dash of x is equals to 2x. What is the formula? Integral f dash of x into f of x whole power n dx is equals to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is f dash of x here? 2x into f of x. X square minus 1 whole power 1 dx. Why have written whole power 1 means in the formula they have given whole power n. Here power is not there. If power is not there, we will consider as 1. So x square minus 1 whole power 1 dx. So here n is 1. So what is the formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is the n here? 1. So x square minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. So this is 1. Next we will go to fourth formula. Integral e power ax sin bx dx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. See one example. Integral e power 2x sin x dx. What is the formula? Integral e power ax sin bx dx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Here what is a here? 2 e power ax, here e power 2x, so a is 2. Sin bx, here sin x, so b is equals to 1. So substitute this in formula. E power ax means e power 2x by a square means 2 square plus b square means 1 square into a sin bx means a is 2, b is 1. So I have directly written sin x minus b is 1. So 1 into cos x plus c. So when we calculate e power 2x by 4 plus 1 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So what is the answer? E power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. I think we will get one doubt here. This is two functions. So I have told in the previous video that if in an integral there exist two functions, we will use one rule, that is Euler rule. I have discussed in previous video. Those who didn't see, please go through it. Here two functions are there, so you will get one confusion that we can also use that Euler formula, but here we can see we can't use Euler formula because of this e power 2x, the integration goes on without any termination. It will go on integrating. So we won't use this Euler rule, so we use this formula. Here you can see that integral e power 2x sin x dx, Euler. Here two functions are there, so we have to go through Euler rule. What Euler rule tells? I means inverse, L means logarithm, A is algebraic, T is trigonometric, and E is exponential. Here sin x is logarithm. What is the place of logarithm? 2. Exponential 5. So logarithm will get u and exponential will get v. So what is the formula? U integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. What is u here? Sin x. Integral e power 2x dx minus integral u dash means sin x differentiation, integral v dx e power 2x dx whole dx. What is the integral of e power ax? E power ax by a. So e power 2x by 2 minus differentiation of sin x cos x, integration of e power ax by a. So e power 2x by 2 into dx. Now what will get? Sin x into e power 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 integral cos x into e power 2x dx. Now again it came as two functions. So again we have to do Euler rule. When we solve this again it will come as two functions. So it will go on continuously going on. So there is no termination. So we won't use Euler rule here. We will use only this formula. So remember this formula. We won't use Euler rule because it goes on continuously. We want to integrate, so we won't use Euler rule. We use this formula. Next we will go to another formula. Integral e power ax into cos bx dx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Here what is the difference means? Cos bx means it will come as plus and sin bx means it will come as minus. Sin means sin first, cos means cos first. So to understand purpose I am telling this. Take one example. Integral e power 2x cos x dx. What is the formula? Integral e power ax cos bx dx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Here what is a here? 2. B is equals to 1. So substitute in that formula. E power 2x by 2 square plus 1 square into 2 cos x plus 1 into sin x plus c. 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1. E power 2x by 4 plus 1 into 2 cos x plus sin x plus c. E power 2x by 5 into 2 cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the format to do any problem. To this formula also Euler rule is not possible because the integration goes on without any end, without any termination. So we will use these two formulas when it resembles this formula. So Thank you. Practice these formulas well so that we will do integration as easy as possible. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.